Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to change a dome light in our 03 Tundra. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. I like to use a flathead screwdriver, like a pocket screwdriver, and I just pull out on the lens, pull it down. You get the two back tabs and the locking tabs on the front by the handle. And then you expose the bulb. I'll grab it with my two fingers. You can push down on this tab, and then there's the bulb. To reinstall, you're going to put there's a little slotted tab there, and it's on the one there, so you put this back one in first, and you can slide it up on that tab. Let's make sure it works. Put the cover back on. I'm going to bring those two center tabs in the back, and then snap it up it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.